Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So given this function, is this function here, is it an even function, an odd function, or neither? So remember, even would have to satisfy this, odd would have to satisfy this. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so let's check to see if it's an even function. So we're going to put this minus x. We're going to put this minus x into this x here. So this would be, so f of minus x here equals minus x squared plus 2, and then close it, and then to the power of 3. Okay, and then if you tidy this bit up, it would it would become this x squared plus 2 over well to the power of 3. So you see this bit here, after applying this transformation, it becomes this. Now this thing here is exactly the same as f of x here. So it's exactly the same as our original here. So we know it's an even function. So this thing here, because this is equal to this, then we know that this here is an even function. But because we don't know if a function can be both odd and even, so we have to check this. Okay, you have to ask yourself: is it possible for a function to be both even? So is it possible to have a function? I don't know what, something like this. Is it possible for this function to be even and to be odd at the same time? Well, because we don't know the answer, we got to check. Yeah, we just check that it's an even function, yes. But it is an odd function. So let's check it out. So this one here, earlier we just worked this out, and it turns out to be the same. So so f of x, f of minus x. Earlier we worked it out to be this. It stays the same. Okay, so now let's check this bit now. So so f of minus f of x here would be the whole function itself. Hang on, the whole function itself. So that's this whole function here stays intact, and then we're going to stick a negative in front of it. Okay, so f of minus f of x here equals the whole function itself, and then we're going to stick a negative in front of it. So it would be x squared plus 2 to the power of 3, and then we're going to, because this here is the function in its original form, and then so this is a function in its original form, and then we have to stick a minus in front of it. So this would be like this. So the question is this the same as this here? Earlier we worked this out to be f of minus x here is x squared plus 2 to the power 3. You see, this is different from this. So we know it's not an odd function. So this function here is an even function, but it's not an odd function. Okay, but it boils down to the question in mind, in that, is it possible for a function? Is it possible for could there exist a function where it could be both even and odd? So that's something that I will cover later on. Okay.